Hey everybody, it's Miss Elena. Today we are going to be talking about elapsed time. We will be reviewing and using the mountains and hills strategy to solve these elapsed time problems. As a reminder, your unit test is this Thursday, March the 7th. On this test, you will see problems involving telling time, elapsed time, measuring and estimating lengths, volumes, and mass, and bar graphs and picture graphs. For this lesson and video, however, we will just be focusing on elapsed time since this is the skill that we all seem to be struggling with the most. So the standards and objective for this lesson are solve meaningful problems involving elapsed time, including intervals of time to the nearest hour, half hour, quarter hour, where the times presented are only on the hour, half hour, or quarter hour within AM or PM only. So our I can statements for this lesson are I can find the elapsed time between two different clock times, and I can find the end time when given a start time and the total elapsed time. So just a reminder, our quarter hours are when our clock is on 15 minutes. So remember, on a clock, we only have 60 minutes. So each quarter, or fourth, because that's what quarter means, is 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is a fourth of 60. So at the 3, we have hit 15 minutes. At the 6, we have hit 30 minutes. At the 9, we have hit 45 minutes. And then at the 12, we have hit 60 minutes, or o'clock. Okay, I know that this clock on this does not have the numbers, but 3 is equal to 15. And then we go 15 more minutes and we get to 6. And that would be 30 minutes. And then 15 more minutes, we hit the 9. And that would be 45. And then 15 more minutes is when we hit the 12 and we reach the next hour, o'clock. Okay, so let's look at this problem. Let's say that we were given a problem that said the start time was 1:45 and the end time was 4:15. And it asks us, what is the elapsed time? So we are going to use the mountains and hills strategy to solve this problem. So we are going to make a timeline diagram. Okay, so we know that our start time is 1:45 and our end time is 4:15. Okay, that's how far we have to go. So in order to help us solve this, we're going to use the mountains and hills. So our mountains which are triangles that are mountains, is going to represent 1 hour. Okay, our minutes are going to be represented by hills. So our hills are going to equal minutes. And minutes, we're going to get to choose how many we put inside of our hill. Okay, so the first thing that we're always going to start with is hour. So I'm going to think, how many hours can I go between 1:45 to 4:15? Well, let's just jump 1 hour. In 1 hour, it will be 2:45. Can I jump another hour? Yes, because in 1 hour, it will be 3:45. Now, can I jump another hour? No, because another hour would be 4:45, and that's past my end time. So now I'm going to move on to using hills for my minutes. So, in order to get to the next hour, I'm going to jump a hill that has 15 minutes, because 15 minutes will take me from this quarter hour to the next hour, which is 4 o'clock. Now I'm going to jump all the way to 4:15, which is only 15 more minutes. So now I'm going to add this all together. This was 2 hours and 30 minutes. So my total elapsed time was 2 hours and 30 minutes. So now I want you guys to practice using the link that I provided within your Google Classroom.